forecast.
The next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is the wraparound rain from former Hurricane Ian. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Additional rain and wind is on the way through tonight. Now, the gustiest winds occurred late Friday night into early on Saturday. We had winds, gusts 40, 45, even 50 miles per hour across a large part of the area, producing a few power outages on Saturday morning. The wind will pick up later on today, but not quite as gusty as what we had earlier on Saturday morning. Here's a look outside live in Earlysville at the Charlottesville-Albemarle Airport. We have overcast skies, light rain, mist, and drizzle. A light northeast breeze, currently 58 degrees, and that's where we will basically stay all day long. In that first forecast for Charlottesville and Central Virginia, drizzle, light rain through midday. The rain will pick up later on into the afternoon hours. Breezy conditions with daytime highs about 20 degrees cooler than average for the second day of October. Shenandoah Valley, here's your first forecast on this Sunday. Temperatures stuck in the low 50s all day long with rain on the increase. Looking back since Friday afternoon, we've had a good solid 2 inches of rain, locally higher amounts, especially over the higher elevations, and there's more rain on the way. So here's what it looks like on the radar picture along the Route 29 corridor from Albemarle, Greene, Madison, Culpeper counties. Light rain. And here's the ground truth to the radar. Look at the wet conditions. This is Route 29 at Airport Road near the Earlysville area, showing the traffic moving along with the rainy conditions. Lots of mist being thrown up from the vehicles in front of you, so allow some extra drive time. We are definitely going to be dealing with wet roadways all day long and into tonight. Light rain across Central Virginia, the Blue Ridge Mountains, and the Shenandoah Valley. The rain will pick up in aerial coverage, and it will become more steady over the next, say, 12 hours or so. This is the back edge, the remnants of Ian. This is the northwestern edge of it. The center of circulation that once was the powerhouse of a Hurricane Ian is over Southside Virginia into the Richmond metro. As this center moves off to the east, that will allow for some winds to pick up and the rain also to increase. 20, 30-mile-an-hour winds into tonight. Tomorrow, it'll be dry, but still brisk. You can leave your wet weather gear at home tomorrow, but keep your windbreaker around. Here's 5 o'clock today. Widespread rain. Rain through midnight, and then pre-dawn the rain's gone off to the east. There's 8 in the morning. Some sun returns with a brisk north breeze as the rain is mainly towards the Chesapeake and will ease at I-95. Basically, it's less than a half inch of new rainfall, a bit more though for the Blue Ridge Mountains. And so flooding, not a concern. This has been a good drink of water since it has been dry over the last couple of weeks. We are rain-free for perhaps the next week to 10 days. A brief warm-up Wednesday, Thursday, Friday with highs in the 70s. There's only one day, folks, that will be above average. That is this Thursday in the upper 70s. Your forecast day in the 50s, rainy and cool and brisk. Showers tonight, and then they'll exit by dawn. Lows upper 40s, low 50s. Tomorrow, upper 50s, low 60s. Our average highs in the mid 70s. Partly sunny and cool with a north breeze. Here's that 7-day planner. In the 40s and 50s overnight, a brisk breeze on Monday and Tuesday, more clouds on Tuesday, low 70s Wednesday, Thursday, upper 70s, the warmest day because a dry cold front arrives on Friday. It'll bring down our temperature, pick up the wind, but no rain associated with that here at home. Highs low 60s next weekend, but looks to be dry for the second weekend of October, and lows could be as cold as the 30s a week from now.
Definitely time of year to start closing your windows as you head to bed home.
Yeah, definitely in the vehicle you may have to have your heat on, as you come into work early on those morning hours.
I have it blasting every weekend. Well,